Alright, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning and we are headed to Bowling Green, Kentucky. We were at the Comfort Inn here in downtown Nashville. And
Bowling Green, are we?
No, not Bowling Green, you're right, Louisville. Good thing the GPS has got us going in the right place, but yeah, okay. Yeah, we're going to Louisville, not Bowling Green again. And yeah, it was a lot of walking last night. So we went downtown a couple times, but car is packed full of stuff and we're ready to go. Back to power tour speed of 4 miles per hour through the town. So yeah, sitting in line is part of power tour, but look what we just found. It's a 20-minute faster route that takes us up through this mountain pass and gets us over that highway. I think that kind of looks like a funner scenic route. I will feel bad for the people that we pass, but they'll understand if they see the route that I just saw. I bet some of them even follow me. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. I think that looks like more fun, and we've already been sitting in this line for 20 plus minutes, at least 20 minutes.
Yeah.
And we have at least, well, yeah, the straight line right now is saying 9 minutes slower. But their 9 minutes is never really 9 minutes.
It always says 10.
Yeah, it's either 9 or 10, but then all of a sudden it turns into 20. So we jumped traffic and got the scenic route instead, where we could actually have a little bit of fun. Alright, well, we're probably going to get into another traffic jam, but that was awesome. We had a merge lane. We didn't even have to stop, and we just, yeah, we're rolling. So there's a lot of other mixed in traffic, so it really sucks for them because they probably did not expect their day to have 45-minute delays with their trucks. But yeah, we're rolling right along. Luce just pulled up next to me. Tipped her toed. And along the route, almost every gas station looks like this. It's like a car show at every station. And coming up here on the left, there was a Corvette that was pushed into the guardrail. We're either super late and everybody's already here because there's a bunch of people leaving.
We came in through the exit.
We had no traffic to get into this place at all. It was insane. But after making it in here, it turns out our dinner is a long walk away.
What does that say?
I think it's in here.
Cool.
But we walked from the parking lot on the other side of that road and wasn't expecting that. As we were far from the last ones at the dinner this year. Well, Power Tour lunch is officially over. Well, everybody except for Tasha. So we drove right in here without any delay whatsoever. However, we were thinking about leaving, and the exit, just like yesterday, seems to be an absolute standstill and back all the way to the end of the parking lot and beyond. So there's only one way out, and it seems like it's gonna take a while to get out of this parking lot. Anyway, this is amazing. So I was just saying how it's gonna take forever to get out of here, and all of a sudden somebody came up and said, hey, we'll let you out. Oh, we have a shorter exit, I believe, than what it had looked like, because the cars I've seen didn't move at all, and looks like we're getting out of here. It's absolutely hilarious. They open this way out now. Every single car in Platinum is like jetting. We are all getting out of here. I do have to make a left up here, so I hope that's not difficult. But anyway, yeah, that was absolutely fantastic as far as our luck could have been. So this is currently the other side of the stadium, and this is the line of cars that are still waiting to get in to check in. Made it to the hotel, and we are very hot. It has been a long day in the car, and I'm pretty sure this parking lot will be filled with hot rodders, and they're still on their way to the venue, and we are just ahead of them, I think.
Maybe.
We'll see.